Water still drips from the ceiling into these garbage bins after a pipe ruptured from one of the apartments above. The uncertainty still looming as the owner says repairs continue to rack up.
Day by day, to just see bit by bit everything that we've worked so hard for to just be washed away. It's rough.
Kylie Russell emotional tonight as she struggles to clean up the wet floors at her daycare, Kemet Academy in Hyde Park.
See, it's still kind of leaking and dripping down.
Russell says a pipe ruptured overnight Wednesday in one of the apartments above her business on South Dorchester. She says it happened after a tenant turned off their heat and opened their windows during sub-zero temperatures.
I'm almost about to cry just thinking about their lack of regard.
The damage widespread from the ceiling to the floors to daycare equipment, and Russell says even spreading to other units of the building. We did leave a message for the building's owner and are waiting to hear back. The cold weather also causing issues in Merrillville, Indiana. Busted pipes led to water gushing from the ceiling and heavy flooding inside Asparagus Restaurant.
There was a lot of loud pops, and I'm guessing that was all the pipes that were starting to crack.
The general manager says the restaurant will be open on a very limited basis until the damage is cleaned up. Two business owners now dealing with a cascade of flooding concerns.
It's not just a business, you know what I mean? There are people that depend on us, not just parents, but also my staff.
Russell says she doesn't know how long it'll take to repair the damages here at her daycare and hopes she doesn't have to close down for the sake of her children and her staff.